Okay, I'm in KFC. I thought I'd do another video today about the Kentucky Fried Chicken menus. I just paid this double crunch with ketchup and a Pepsi, like €3.64. We're gonna check it out. Here we are in Fuengirola and in Kentucky Fried Chicken. For a change, not McDonald's, not Burger King, but Kentucky Fried Chicken, all paid, and that's it for now. Okay, it's me. So, shout my name is right. Okay, happens straight away. Which is not, is it good or bad? I'm just gonna sit here, stand here for a while. So I ordered some fries, get a cup, some ice, get some ice and a bit of and this stuff. Yeah. So we got this chicken thing. I'm gonna check it out right now. I'm gonna sit outside, get some vitamin D hopefully. That was really quick. It basically took like 5 seconds. Not to drop the food on the floor. Okay. Vale, sí. Stand here on my order. Okay. So we're right next to the port here. And yeah, probably a continuous video. I don't know how this one's going to work. But yeah, I'm here at Fuengirola Port. And just like €4 kind of thing, and go check it out. You get this Aquarius, couple of ketchup things for like €3.50, I think. I don't know. It's getting a bit windy actually. So we're gonna check it out and see what happens. So we're at Kentucky Fried Chicken. Can't see what I'm filming. Can't even see if I am filming. What the hell? Okay. Okay. I'm looking right into the sun. Very professional. And I got this Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC menu. Going here, it's like €3.50, something like that. So this is basically a silly little review to see what it's like, and here we go. Okay, I had to move out the sun because it was too much. Couldn't see what I was filming. People are walking backwards and forwards here. We're in Fuengirola still. So Kentucky Fried Chicken. So I moved out the sun. Now it's cold. You move out the sun and it gets cold, you know. So we have this thing that's Kentucky Fried Chicken. These seasoned fries, you get this chicken fillet burger. You get the drinks Aquarius that are refillable. So, we're going to check out this burger. It's not too bad, it's quite thick, actually. That's nice. Like a pepper taste to it. I actually feel like sitting inside, but I won't do. I've not put any ketchup on, but the bun's okay. Okay. That nearly fell on the floor because of my unprofessional filming. So I'm actually going to go inside because it's getting a bit breezy, and yeah, and try and carry on with the food review. Okay, so I moved inside because it was getting a bit windy there. Things are blowing all over the shop, and this moved a lot. It's good. It's pretty cool. I think it was like €3.50. You get the Aquarius or Coca-Cola, Pepsi, seasoned fries. That's quite nice. Salt and pepper. Kind of a different kind of fries. You can get like wedges with the McDonald's meals. Well, yeah. Salt and pepper. And then, as you've seen before, the burger is pretty good. The bread. But I'll show you the chicken. So I've come inside and there's air conditioning, so it's breezy. That is nice. The seasoning on the Kentucky the chicken in Kentucky Fried Chicken is absolutely fantastic. So, excuse me. For €3.50, you get these seasoned fries. You get your drink, and you get your. I've already eaten half of that. Nice bun. I think it was €3.50. So not a lot to complain about. Very nice indeed, and I enjoyed that. So, it's really nice. And you get the unlimited drinks as well. Seasoned fries. I'm making some weird noises here. Very nice. So, yeah, if this video Actually comes out. I don't know. It's a little KFC review. Seasoned fries. The chicken is absolutely fantastic. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like all my videos, don't forget to watch all my videos from the beginning to the end. Bye for now.